Biotechnology, a field at the intersection of biology, technology, and medicine, has made remarkable strides in recent decades. From genetically modified crops to groundbreaking therapies, the possibilities seem limitless. But with these advances come critical ethical questions that we must carefully consider. In this video, we explore the future of biotechnology, its innovations, and the profound ethical dilemmas that arise as we shape the next frontier of science and medicine. Biotechnology harnesses the power of living organisms to develop products and technologies that improve human health, agriculture, and the environment. The most notable progress has occurred in genetic engineering, where scientists manipulate DNA to create desired traits in plants, animals, and humans. This has led to innovations in medicine, such as personalized therapies, organ transplants, and CRISPR-based gene editing techniques. As these technologies continue to evolve, they hold the potential to revolutionize healthcare, agriculture, and more. One of the most exciting advances in biotechnology is gene therapy. For decades, scientists have been working to correct genetic disorders at the molecular level by introducing healthy genes into a person's cells. This approach has already led to the successful treatment of certain genetic diseases, such as inherited blindness and some types of cancer. As gene therapy techniques become more refined, the potential to treat or even cure previously untreatable genetic conditions grows. Another groundbreaking development is CRISPR-Cas9, a gene editing technology that allows scientists to alter DNA with unprecedented precision. With CRISPR, researchers can potentially correct genetic mutations that cause diseases, improve crops by enhancing resistance to pests, and even develop treatments for previously untreatable ailments. Yet, as powerful as this technology is, it also raises profound ethical concerns. Should we edit the human genome? If so, to what extent? And who decides which genes are deemed desirable? While biotechnology promises vast benefits, it also presents significant challenges. One of the central ethical concerns is the potential for genetic discrimination. As genetic testing becomes more widespread, there is a real risk that individuals could be judged or denied opportunities based on their genetic predispositions. This raises important questions about privacy, consent, and equity. How do we ensure that genetic information is used responsibly without infringing on individual rights? Furthermore, the manipulation of human embryos and the possibility of creating genetically modified humans presents a unique ethical dilemma. While gene editing offers the potential to eliminate hereditary diseases, it also carries the risk of unintended consequences, such as the introduction of new genetic disorders. The concept of designer babies, the ability to select or modify traits before birth, has sparked widespread ethical debate. Who determines what traits are desirable, and how do we prevent abuses of this technology? In addition to human genetics, biotechnology has also made significant strides in agriculture and food production. Genetically modified GM crops are now common, engineered to resist pests, diseases, and environmental stressors. While GM crops can help solve food security issues and reduce the need for chemical pesticides, they also raise concerns about ecological balance and the long-term impact on biodiversity. Should we continue to genetically modify organisms for the benefit of humanity, or does this interfere with nature's intricate design? Another ethical issue arises in the realm of synthetic biology, which involves designing and constructing new biological parts, devices, and systems. Synthetic biology offers the potential to create biofuels, bioplastics, and new forms of life to address pressing global challenges, such as climate change and resource depletion. Yet, the ability to create new life forms also opens the door to potential misuse, including the creation of harmful organisms or bioweapons. As we venture into uncharted territory, strict ethical guidelines and oversight will be necessary to prevent misuse. The future of biotechnology is, without question, full of promise. Yet, as we advance, it is essential to engage in deep ethical reflection and rigorous policy discussions. How do we strike the balance between scientific progress and moral responsibility? How can we ensure that biotechnology is used for the common good, without exploiting vulnerable populations or undermining natural ecosystems? These are the questions we must grapple with as we move forward into a new era of scientific innovation. At NACSH, we believe that science, when coupled with ethical inquiry, holds the power to shape a better future. As we continue to explore the boundaries of biotechnology, it is essential to ensure that its advances are grounded in a framework of responsibility, equity, and respect for the diverse perspectives that define our global community. As biotechnology continues to evolve, we must carefully consider its ethical implications and ensure that it serves humanity as a whole. Join us at NACSH as we continue to support the advancement of science and engage in thoughtful dialogue about the impact of biotechnology on society. Together, we can shape a future where science and ethics move forward hand in hand.